in nail therapy. The nail therapy, how to treat the diseases on your nail. How can you read your health status in your nail? And she will give some more tips also regarding the Sujok treatment. All of you know that she is the master and gold qualified authorized lecturer in ISA, the International Sujok Association. Now, I am very happily invite Madam Bhupinder Kaur to take over this platform. Thank you, ma'am. Smile evening.
Smile evening. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So I'm very glad to participate on this platform. And I feel very energetic, though I was very busy. Before this, I took 3 hours lecture continuously. But when I come on this platform again, my energy is revived. Thank you so much. So ultimate purpose is that if our lecture can help in healing, if you can solve your disease, then it is really great blessing for us, for me. And this is how I am inspired to continue this journey. So now regarding nail therapy, initially I had plans to introduce new topic maybe next time, but then I decided to continue this nail therapy because last time I could not finish few points, and those points are very important. At the same time, here I can see that new participants are entered here in this classroom. So I can give quick revision of our previous slides or old lecture, which we did last week, and then we can focus new points also. So nail therapy, sometimes we think that this is very small area nail, and what this nail can do. This nail can really bring great change in your life, in your body. Also, you see, when baby is created in mother's womb, slowly his all parts are developed. Yes, from one cell, many cells, this was like multiplication of cells. So cells were multiplied, and then all organs, all body parts, but this extremities, like for example, first central region was created like from embryo stage. This is from one cell, and then this central part was created, and from central part then arms, these lines came out, arms and legs came out, and then from arms and legs, hand and foot. Yes, this part, I'm telling you how this baby was created in mother's womb. So central part, second phase was arms and legs, and then in third phase palms and soles were created, and then lastly fingers were developed. So this was like final stage of the development of body. This was like final perfection of body. And fingertips last, because when fingers were created, fingertips appeared last. This was last development. So, and after that, this body was ready. So these fingertips are final perfection stage of human body. That is why, when we study Sujok, in Sujok, mini system, which is here, that is very, very powerful because of this region. And when we study tri-origin, fingers come in neutral zone and fingertips. My voice is not clear. Someone is writing.
It's very clear, ma'am, very clear.
Okay. So fingertips are very powerful. That is why you see on the fingertips, not only your brain points are associated, but your complete body. You can restore your health just with the massage of fingertips. It looks very simple that how this fingertip can treat this complete body, but anyone who has experienced last week when we conducted this session, I don't know how many of you have experienced. You can write in chat box if you have experience. And in all, especially I want to say in all chronic and grave diseases, if you pay attention to your nails, you will see quickly you will recover quickly, because this is final perfection stage of body. Yes, later we can, after I finish my class, and then you can share your experiences. That will be very nice of you. So now you see, yes, last time we discussed that each nail has connection with some organ, some endocrine glands. Yes, not only one organ or any part of the body, but also this small nail can also connect to your complete body. You know, when we are interacting with the universe, and these energies are passing these nails. Yes, this is very, very strong point. And also, you know, when we are studying energy flow, you know how energy is coming in our body. On the inside, energy is coming from leg to arm, and on the yang side, energy is coming from arm to leg. So all energies are passing these nails. So this nail is also, we can say neutral, but also these nails are located on the distal part of the body. That is why this has hetero quality also. Changing character is very good in this area. So if you stimulate this nail, yes, you can see good changes in your body. Only thing is, we should know how to use this information. How to do now here. After understanding, we can do color therapy here on the nail, we can do seed therapy, we can do acupuncture, we can do magnet therapy here, and we can do moxa therapy, and also we can do ice massage, ice. Yes, so these nails are representing specific your some organs, also representing endocrine glands, your body parts. Also, these nails are representing your sense organs, yes, energies. So many things are here. So now in this class, in this present class, I will give you more of practical tips. So I will share my screen. So quick revision of our past slides, so that participants, those who are listening for the first time, they can also have the glimpse. So when we talk about organs, then you see in left hand, little finger, gallbladder. You can save this picture, and then we can talk more about practical things. So spinal cord, ring finger, then yang sense organs. Now, last time we did not discuss yin sense organs, and we will discuss today. So yang sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, and index finger, small intestine. And then we also discussed that on the thumb, this body in general, homodisorder means any kind of body problem, complete body. If you want to energize your body, we can also treat thumb. And right hand, large intestine, index finger, external genitals, bladder, and then stomach, bladder, ring finger nail, and stomach is right hand, little finger nail. So first, let us see all the organs, and then we will discuss practical part. Now in foot, left foot, liver, and ring toe is brain, and left foot, middle toe is connected with yin sense organ, and then ring toe is connected with heart, right foot. So this is just a lung, and middle toe, internal genitals, then ring toe, kidneys, and little toe, spleen. Now, for example, yes, yin sense organ, like yang sense organ, which we discussed last time, in left hand, middle finger, eyes, ears, nose. What do you mean by yang sense organs? You see, in 6 key, here we are studying that eyes are controlled by hotness energy, ears are controlled by heat energy, and nose is controlled by this sense of nose. It is not about part, this is about sense. So smell sense is controlled by wind energy. So though in 5 element we have different concept, but also in 6 key, this combines 5 element and also 6 energies together, because you see eyes in 5 elements, we are thinking about wind energy, or we are thinking about liver. Eye is connected with the liver, but when we study long pure meridian, then liver is making connection with the brain. Liver meridian meets the brain. That is why we can have very good view, vast vision about eyes. It is not only liver, but also it is brain. And then in our face, head, this part is Ajna chakra. Between two eyes, we have Ajna chakra, and this Ajna chakra is located between two eyes, and this hotness energy so can give energy. This Ajna chakra can give energy to eyes. That is why eyes are very close to hotness energy. So eyes, ears, nose. So these 3 sense organs are, we say, heterogroup, or we can say yang sense organ. This is like why we say yang sense organs, because these two to have sense, we don't need touch. Eyes can see far, we don't need to touch. Ears, we can hear music without touching, and nose, we can smell without touching. Yes, so that is why we have to understand why this is yang or hetero, because no touching phenomena is here. That is why these 3 sense organs come in yang category. But when you see yin sense organ, yes, this is like yin sense organ, taste. Yes, for tasting you need to touch. Yes, and then also skin sense organ, this also, to feel anything we have to touch. And then gravity, so taste, touch, gravity, these 3 sense organs need contacts. Without touching, cannot experience sense. That is why these 3 sense organs come in yin sense organ. So if person has any problem in taste, because you see now these days in corona, taste sense, yes, loss of taste sense, then we can focus on the left foot, middle toe nail. You start pressing that nail, or you try to find the painful point on the nail, then you can see big change. If person loses sense of smell, yes, sense of smell, in this case, left hand, middle finger, nail. Now, whenever person is losing the sense, it means this is like a coldness case or darkness case. Yes, so it needs great power. Losing means finished, no senses. So in this case, on this nail, we can do moksha therapy, and around this nail, we can find the painful point and we can fix the seed. You can see the change immediately. You can see that sense is recovered, that you can see. If it's no smell, you will immediately start feeling, oh, this smell sense is improving. Yes. Now people have a lot of problem related to ears, like tinnitus. Here I want to say, whenever there is some yang symptoms or hetero symptoms, or inflammation or hyperactivity, we don't give moksha here. We can give just massage and seeds, but loss of function, yes, in this case, or degeneration, destructive, in this case, we can give moksha. Okay, so here like eye vision, if eye vision is has some problem, then we have to focus here. But at the same time here, I want to say that this nail is very special and this nail has connection with 3 sense organs. But if person has just 1 sense organ, it is very good to treat independently, and I will tell you how to treat independently. So here you see that each nail has connection with some of the other organ, and also this nail has connection with the energy. Please keep this thing in your mind. If person has more than 1 sense problem, then you can use this left hand middle finger nail or left foot middle finger middle toe nail. But if just 1, then it is very good to stimulate specific nail. And I will share my new screen. Just a moment. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So okay. See, as I told you that for multiple sense organ problem, you will treat here. But now let us talk about independent 1 sense organ. So now this left hand little finger has connection with the gallbladder. Also, we can write the energy of yang wind. Yang wind. And this has connection. This is very big subject, but we will try to squeeze some important points for this session. And this is yang hotness. So all hotness related diseases. And here, small intestine, yang heat. So I'm using specific colors so that your color consciousness, you can focus your color consciousness. Green color for yang wind. And right hand, large intestine. And this color therapy is so good for treating these organs which you see on the nail. So large intestine, brown color, this is connected with aha dryness, or sorry, yang dryness. Bladder, connected with yang coldness. And stomach connected with yang humidity. Now, sense organs. Sense organ. Smell is wind. Hearing sense is heat. Vision is hotness. Taste sense is humidity. Touch sense is dryness, and gravity sense is coldness. So yang wind, this nail has strong connection with the smell sense. If smell sense is lost, we have to pay attention here. How to do treatment, I will guide you. Smell sense. And then hotness has connection with vision problem, hearing sense, then touch sense, and this is gravity sense, taste sense. Okay, taste sense. Now, this organ, this left hand, little finger, this nail, first of all, not only smell, as you can see, this is gallbladder. So any problem of gallbladder, this nail is very important. If you know that you have gallbladder problem, then you should stimulate this nail every day, not only just once in a day, but many times you should stimulate this nail. Yes, and in last session, I gave a demonstration how to do stimulation. Yes, it should be very good center massage, left and right side, front and back. Yes, like this. So you have to stimulate and you have to give pain, little moderate pain, I can say, or more than general pain. So pressure should be deep, or you can just, you see, like this on the table, doing like this. But if your nails are soft, then you can do with your hand. So this will improve the condition of your gallbladder, and also your smell sense will improve. Now here in Corona time, when a person loses smell sense, this is yang symptom, because all of a sudden smell sense is gone. But in foot also, you see, this is the same. Here also we have smell sense, but we say yin smell sense. Means chronic problem. If chronic problem is there, then we have to stimulate this part, this nail. Yes, so same finger, you have to keep this thing in your mind, that same finger, little finger of left hand and little toe of left foot will have same sense organ, that is smell sense. Only thing is, if it is acute problem, all of a sudden it has come, then you have to focus your hand yang, and if it is chronic, then you have to focus yin. So also when we are discussing sense organs, we have to I will focus organ also side by side. So if person has any liver problem, then this is the nail which you have to stimulate every day. Sometimes we are thinking what this small nail can do, but please make sure, if you pay attention and if you do it daily, and not just one time in a day, but several times in a day, and you will see your liver condition is changing. Even the person who has a very chronic disease of liver, people have reported very good effect after doing this kind of nail therapy. Now, let's talk about proper color therapy. Last time I just discussed triorigin pattern, red and blue two colors, because keeping beginners in my mind, and now I hope many of you have understood that lesson. And now I will give you proper accurate 6 key color if you want to tonify liver, or if you want to tonify yin smell, or if you want to, like in this time, acute time, if loss of smell sense, if you want to tonify, then what you will do? Yes, which color you will do? So you can, I will request you to write with me so that you don't forget. This is very effective color therapy. So as you know 6 energies, so we have wind energy first, which is associated with gallbladder and liver. Then heat energy, small intestine and heart. Red. Then spinal cord and brain, hotness energy. Stomach, spleen, yellow color, humidity energy. Next is large intestine and lung, dryness energy, UB and kidney, coldness energy. Please write with me. So it means that if you want to tonify liver or gallbladder, then you should apply green color on the nail of liver. Green color is tonification color for liver and gallbladder. Rejuvenation of liver, if you don't feel fresh in the morning, yes, you feel fatigues, pains, yes, in that case, it means your liver, I will not say liver is weak, but liver needs energy. So, green color. And for improving circulation, you should focus heart, red color. Excuse me. For brain, for tonifying brain, if brain is weak, then orange color therapy is good for brain and spinal cord. If stomach, if you want to focus stomach, spleen, then yellow color is very good for stomach and spleen, nail. Large intestine problem, if person has chronic constipation, chronic lung disease, asthma, then brown color is very good. And UB, kidney, then in this case, blue color, to strengthen UB and kidney, blue color is very good. Now this is tonification color. Yes, whatever color you see here, these are all tonification colors. But sometimes this organ can overreact, can become overactive also. Like inflammation in liver, this is overactive. Here we don't need to tonify. Yes, or maybe some hyperactivity of heart, some hyperactivity of brain and spinal cord, or gas, acidity. Yes, this is hyperactivity of stomach and spleen. And then large intestine, maybe loose motion or some, pneumonia, some infection in the lung. This is hyperactive. Then UTI, yes, this is inflammation, or maybe kidney infection. So whenever there is hyperactivity, so in this case, when doctors are giving, they give sometimes antibiotics to control this hyperactivity, or they are giving steroids. This is like hyperactivity. So we have two concepts, because this nail therapy is very powerful. And if we apply after doing good massage, and then, if we apply correct color, then effect you will see very fast. So now we have discussed, this is tonification color. Whatever you see on the slide, this is tonification color. So when you have 2 points, when you want to uplift the energy of a particular organ, then you should apply these colors which you see on the slide. But when you want to sedate, as I gave you example, when organs are hyperactive, in this case, we are using sedation concept, sedation. Now, what is the color for sedation? Here we will focus. So now you see 6 energies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you remember this color, then in future, I will give you many more tips, not only in nail therapy, but also when we discuss about energies and many other things. So these colors are our main tools. Yes, of course, we have needles, we have seeds, but according to the level of consciousness, we are using our tools. Some people, they can use needles, some people colors. Yes, but this is very common, very fast, and very easy to learn. That is why you can pick up this color therapy very quickly. Now, here we follow axis law. Please remember, this is wind energy. Green color will help to tonify gallbladder and liver, or we can say sense organ, which is smell. So green color will tonify this. But if you want to sedate, then you see this is axis law. Opposite color, if you apply on the wind area, like wind nail, this will give sedation effect. Again. For example, you see, let's say this one. This is gallbladder. If person has a loss of function, loss of smell sense, what will you do? Will you tonify or will you sedate? And with which color? Can you write in the chat box? Yes, green. Correct. So it means if loss of smell, it means you want to energize. And this nail, because we have 6 energies, and this nail energy will be activated under green color. Yes, very fastly activated under this green color. But if person has some inflammation in gallbladder, then which color you will apply? Simple thing, this chart will help you. This chart will help you. Green, see, this axis. If you want to tonify, apply green, and if you want to sedate, then apply this color, which is sitting at the other end of this axis. This is yellow color, humidity color. So yellow color on wind area, this will give sedation effect. Vice versa. If you want to tonify stomach and spleen, you will apply yellow color on the nail of stomach and spleen. If very chronic stomach disease, yes, loss of appetite and stomach digestion is very poor, very weak, then you will apply yellow color on the nail of stomach. But if stomach is hyperactive, gas, acidity, then this is like a pear. Yes, when you want to tonify, you use, these are called self color. And when you want to sedate, then you apply opposite color. Yes, so see now, right hand. Now this chart is with you. Right hand, little finger is, this nail has connection with the stomach. If person has gas, acidity or inflammation in the stomach, it means very strong yang energy. It is more than moderate range. We need to harmonize this, actually we are using this sedation word not to actually sedate energy, but to harmonize energy. So we will apply a green color. You see here, combination of green and yellow. If you want to tonify stomach, you will apply yellow. And if you want to sedate stomach, you will apply green. So you can paint this nail with the green color. Yes, better you use whiteboard marker because easy to remove. These colors are very powerful. Sometimes if it is not diagnosed correctly, then little bit, though person will not have big side effect, but little bit of heaviness or some discomfort feeling. Yes. So, but now when you're doing this color therapy, you should do it in chronic cases. You should do it for 1 month, every day, 2 hours. Sometimes very quick response is coming within 4 days, and some people within 1 day, some people within 1 month, but you should do it. Also, before doing this color therapy, please try to press all these points, surrounding points. If you have a probe, then very good to press this point. And you never know, among all these points, if you see any painful point, then you can focus there, massage that area more, and then you can fix the seed. So this is about color therapy of stomach and liver. So if person has weak liver, yes, weak liver, then it means this nail needs green color for tonification. But if person has hyperactive liver, then we need sedation. Here in this case, we will apply yellow color. Okay. Then, because last time I focused round magnet for tonification and sedation. All tools are good because sometimes magnets are not available, but colors are always with you. You can quickly use that. Now, if memory is weak, and some brain issues, chronic brain issues, then you should apply orange color, especially when special children, every day 2 hours we should apply orange color on this toe, and we should press this toe several times a day. This toe, this left foot, ring toe, yes, this toe, this has very strong connection with the brain. This is not actually, don't take it just for granted. This nail has, you will see the changes if you have your child and cannot concentrate or cannot memorize, memory is weak. Please pay attention to this nail. Yes, also we should pay attention to lifestyle, whether there is liver problem or stomach gas, acidity. These days, you know that lifestyle, improving, upgrading lifestyle is equally important. But at the same time, sometimes lifestyle is very good, but body is not responding. Then we have to stimulate all these correspondence area. We have to open all the blockages, because you see there is stagnation, there is less energy flow or excessive energy flow. So for this purpose, when we use colors or magnets, then we can harmonize this energy. So this is brain related nail, but many brain related diseases, even person has brain tumors or some brain diseases, some cyst like this. So this nail you have to pay attention, and this nail is only on the left foot and not on the right foot. So now you pay attention with the seed also, searching painful point around this nail, and when you succeed in finding painful point, and here I want to pay attention, because if you succeed in finding painful point, that is like a victory, because though everyone knows, many of you know this nail therapy, knowledge wise, everyone knows, but finding the master pain point is actually great victory and great mastery. So as I told you in last session that try to find the probe, which is small ball, small in size. Yes, because this is very small area and delicate area, and the points around the nails are very micro points, not in picture you see big, but very small. It means here you can have 100 of points. That is why we need to stimulate this point and find painful point accurately. You need great patience of this. Sometimes if you have lots and lots of knowledge, but for few days just try this and see how patient is condition is changing. Okay, and after finding with the help of also backside of toothpick, you can try and one by one check. After checking, after finding the pain point, then you massage that point for 2 to 3 minutes before fixing the seed, and then you can fix one fenugreek seed on that point. So this example I'm giving for brain, but at the same time, this is applicable for all organ which are situated on the nail. So heart blockages, or any kind of heart problem. Yes, so this nail you have to pay attention. Sometimes you can see the shape or color of nail also is changing. So this is also giving you some idea. Now, sometimes what happens, this nail is degenerated and very difficult to do very difficult to find painful point, because this whole area is black. Sometimes you will see. So in case you see this color, this is like dead area, and when you see black color or blue color or deformity of nail in any organ in any nail, that means that energy of that nail, energy in this area is very poor energy. At the same time, this is giving you some symbol that heart needs some attention. Then what you will do, this nail can have two purposes. One is diagnosis purpose and second is treatment purpose. Now, because this area is black, some you see many times you will see this kind of discoloration. So this area is black. Now here, to initially you cannot do color therapy or moxa therapy, because this is degenerated and deformed. Sometimes not, this shape is not good. Yes, so this is like degenerative process. So what you have to do, in case you have knowledge, many of you have Sujok knowledge, and maybe next time I will focus all the correspondence area. Even we discuss all advanced techniques, but everyone in this group should know major correspondence areas related to each organ. So idea is, because if person has black or deformed nail in this area, in this condition we cannot do nail therapy. Nail therapy we need to do on healthy area. So then what we have to do, as and why I told that you should know all correspondence area. Then in heart, yes, in Sujok we have very easy and simple point. Then in Sujok we should focus all points, correspondent points related to heart. Correspondent points on hand, finger, and mini system. We have many system, of course we have many variety of system, but we can pick up these three system, on hand system, or we say basic correspondence system, finger system, which is famous as insect system, also mini system. So what you have to do, this example I'm giving you for one organ, and this is applicable for all organs. So if you see any deformity here, this is an indication that your heart needs attention. Please don't waste your time, and please do action, take action on the main system heart point, on the insect system heart point, and on the mini system heart point. Please work on those points. Try to find painful points, because we have many hard points, and try to work and find painful points. And wherever you find painful points, you know the technique, you should give pressure, massage, then seeds, and you will see, you will be surprised after doing few days continuously, sometimes 4 days, 15 days, 1 month, you will see that this nail condition is improved. Initially, slowly you will see color is changing from black to natural color, and nail condition is changed. That is how you have you can use this nail therapy as diagnosis also. But if nail is healthy, then we can do color therapy on the nail, or magnet therapy, seed therapy on the nail. So now if you see some problem here in this nail, now you know that all brain points needs attention. It means nails are also speaking to you, and so beautiful that today we have all correspondence point. So when you see damage on any nail, then please focus that organ. Yes, like here, if you see here, this is indication of spleen. If you see damage here, it means a nail is telling you that all these external deformities are telling you that internally all these organs needs an attention. Okay, so here once again I want to say this is large intestine. If person has constipation problem, you will apply brown color and several times massage. You see, many people, they are taking laxatives and many fibrous food, still not improving. Then you have to work on your body, and nail is the best way. Here I want to show very special picture of Professor Park Jae-woo. When he introduced nail therapy, you will be amazed to see that this each nail is not just representing any one organ or endocrine glands or one energy or sense organ, but at the same time is representing complete body. Yes, complete body. That is why we cannot ignore nails. So we have to take care of our nails and every day check how is the quality of your nail. See, now this all these tips, this is complete brain connection. This is heart connection, you see. So this is intestine connection. How these nails are connected to your body and several organs. So last time we discussed about massage techniques also. So not only nail, but I will recommend that this nail, this heart part, and also behind the nail on the inside, this area, you should, because last time I introduced how to do nail massage, but here now I want to add that you will do it. Yes, that you will do. And also you will massage all these tips. Now, you see, sometimes you can experience that sometimes your body is feeling very cold. When you feel that your body is feeling very cold and weak, so what you do in that time, and you feel body aches, fatigues, yes, in that case, all fingertips massage, and don't leave it until your fingertips become warm and red. So continuously do massage from all direction, front and back, and touch this is warm or not. So massage in such a manner so that even when you leave, this warmness should stay for at least for 2-3 minutes continuously. So now also you can decide. So when you get up in the morning, this is your, when you are doing yoga or exercise, please add nail massage from, even if you don't know exact technique how to do nail massage, don't worry, do it as your mind guides you. Ultimate purpose is to press all parts of nail, front, back, left and right, and also middle part. So you see, massage this area. When you are massaging this small area, yes, you can feel lots of energy, flush, lots of energy, yes, is you can see like a fountain, like a shower you will feel in the body. Now in this present moment, yes, if you have body ache, knee pain, arm and leg pain, spinal pain, yes, just do it till the time you hear lecture, and just continue. And when my lecture finishes, you will see, you will definitely feel the change. Definitely you will see, oh, my body is energetic. Oh, now I can work, I can go to kitchen, I can cook food. Now you see, so in winter, sometimes you don't want to come out from your quilt, immediately do this nail massage. So we are not waiting for disease. This should become part of your life, part of your life, nail massage. And also if you can, your hand is comfortable reaching your feet nail, foot nail also, if you massage, it is very good. Yes, so this is very interesting picture. And also this nail is round, which has a strongly connection with the cell of your body. Round phenomena is cell round system in triorigin. This is Newton, very detailed subject. And you know, on the basis this, because of power of this nail, Professor Park Jae-woo, he did very deep research, and he reached that this nail alone can do tremendous work. And he also discovered very powerful triorigin points, which are related to brain and whole body. Yes, so anyway, that we are not touching, that is technical part, but in coming time I can touch. So this nail is giving you the glimpse that how your organs are related to each nail. So let's come back to our topic. Yes, so you see now, when we started, we were speaking about sense organs. Sense organs, as I told you, if person has multiple sense organ, then you will focus this. According to this, because this is our six energies, and this finger is related to our brightness energy, 8K energy, R brightness, and brightness. So this is related to brightness energy. But then here you can, don't do color therapy here, because here this is because brightness energy, you have to be very sure that your three sense organs needs attention. But here you can do seat therapy and massage techniques. But now if person has just one sense organ, as I told you, that this will treat your smell, this will treat your vision, and this will treat your hearing. Yes, this is very amazing. I want to share that sometimes, many times, I've shared that if person has my past experiences, just by telling to take care of this nail and hearing will improve. A person had tinnitus. So this left hand, this nail has connection with your hearing sense. Yes, so, and also we need heat energy for hearing sense. So massage this nail. And also when I say massage this nail, then you have to be very specific, correct massage, and finding the points correctly, trying to search painful points, and you will see great change in the air. So many people reported that after one sitting, just massaging and continuously 10 minutes, continuously massage from all direction, and wow, tinnitus gone like this. Yes, if you have this problem, please experience now, but you have to give intensive massage without damaging the skin, without damaging this part, yes, of your finger. Because sometimes to gain result, maybe you press very deep, but at the same time, your pressure should not be superficial. We need more than moderate pressure, but at the same time, not to the extent of damaging or destroying the nail. So hearing also, if a person has, especially in that case, hearing sense, initially it was good, but now due to some situation, due to some damage in the nervous system, in the brain, now hearing sense is deteriorating. So in deterioration, hearing sense, especially in old age is natural, but still you can help them, so that not necessary that all old people hearing sense is destroyed. It means their energy level is not up to date. Yes, not all old people hearing sense is destroyed. So in this destruction process, you can give moxa in this nail, yes, because degeneration and destruction, and then do massage. When we give moxa, make sure that you give moxa till the time this warmness is, this nail can have good warmness. And when you leave moxa, you can feel this stable warmness until 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, like this. But when I say moxa therapy, we have a special technique. Special technique means that how to give moxa. Now, when person is, especially in left hand, left extremities, left hand and left foot, for tonification, we do anti-clockwise. See, anti-clockwise means if you want to improve hearing sense or the condition of small intestine or degenerative spinal cord diseases, yes, some degeneration or spinal cord has some long disease, and gallbladder disease or smell sense. So if this needs tonification, then we do anti-clockwise like this, moxa, like this, anti-clockwise, and wait, and then do it again. Yes, like this. From center, you start. First, you do moxa on the center, move anti-clockwise here, and then expand, 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 and stop. And start again. Continue, continue, continue till the time. And please don't burn. Okay? And till the time patient finger can feel lot of warmness on the fingertips without burning. And you should write left extremities. This is very important. Left extremities anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so whether it is left hand or left foot, but right extremities, right, you will do clockwise direction for tonification. Please keep this direction in your mind when you are doing moxa therapy. Okay, so like a person, and also when person has fever or inflammation, high blood pressure, yes, some kind of infections, in that case, don't do moxa. Yes, now I will give you one example. For example, this person has a bladder issue, UTI. This is in fact acute infection. Okay, yes, so before applying seed therapy, you can do one step. Just massage this area with the ice around this area, even the fingertip complete area, you just massage with the ice. Yes, so after doing ice massage, then you can paint this nail with blue color. Blue color, this is very good perfect treatment of UTI. Yes, so This is how you have to give tonification or sedation effect. Now let's say, now this is, you can take also you see internal genitals, and also here we have external genitals. So outside, here sometimes patients have itching or some infections or some irritations like this. So now you can paint. Here you can use just blue color. We are not using brightness, darkness color. You can use blue color. You can use heterohomo color here like this. And internal means internal genitals, internal reproductive organ. If person has kidney weak, kidney dialysis, and if you remember last time I introduced round magnet. So I can make picture of that round magnet so that you don't forget. Once again, quick brush up. So round magnet, if kidney is weak, so on the nail, of course, we have round magnet of many sizes, but we can select round magnet as per the nail size. So outside yellow, this is chakra magnet, and inside white. This is what we discussed last time. This is called tonification effect. Kidney dialysis, weak kidney, or when creatinine level is very high, it means this is kidney disease, weak kidney. So very good to pay attention to this nail. If you don't have this round magnet, don't worry. You have 3 choices: color therapy, seed therapy. Color therapy and seed therapy you can do simultaneously, or color therapy you do it in daytime, and seed therapy you can do in evening time. Give good attention to this nail if person has kidney disease, along with the correspondence points of kidney. And but this, if you add this, as I told you, nails are very, very powerful zones. And when person dies, yes, for few moments, for few hours, I can say, you will see, yes, you can do research, nail still grows. Yes, because energy, very strong energy in this area. Even when we die, for small little time, nail continue to grow. So what is this meaning? We are doing many treatment on the hand, foot, body, but these nails are the most powerful area. Sometimes we ignore, we think what this small nail can do, and we think that this nail is just for decorative purpose. Yes, but creator has given a nail or each part of your body is so meaningful and is designed with a great purpose. So this nail is also in animals, they are using for defense. Yes, but as for us, of course, this is also for defense. Yes, but at the same time, this has very great meaning. Don't take it as a beauty part of your body, because nail polish these days, girls and ladies, they just know that we have to put nail polish just for beauty purpose. And under this is very great information. Strong energy is moving around your nails. Very, very strong energy is moving. If you really want to bring change in your body, every day press nail of each toe and each finger. Sometimes it is very boring, because it is, sometimes it is giving pain, you don't enjoy also, and it is not giving very pleasant feeling. But just before you give up, I will recommend 1 month, seriously, every day you give attention to all your nails, you will see how your body condition will improve. So kidney dialysis, weak kidney, creatinine level is high. This is tonification. But if there is some inflammation in kidney, hyperactivity, then color, what is color? Let's talk about color also. Color of kidney, as we discussed here, color of kidney is here, you see blue. Kidney color is blue. Yes. So sedation color, what is the sedation color? Opposite. Sedation is orange, and here tonification is blue, because under blue color frequency, blue color vibration, kidney can stay active in blue color vibration. Yes, and blue color vibration can make kidney active. But if kidney is very active, then this blue vibration we need to reduce. Only hotness energy can help to reduce this blue vibration or coldness vibration. So this chart will help you. Yes. So if kidney is weak, you apply blue color. If kidney is hyper, then you have to apply orange color. Yes. So same way you can see here. Now, if you want to apply sedation magnet, so this is round magnet, chakra magnet, sometimes we say. So this is top view. Yes, here we have tape on the top. On the top, we have tape. This is tape. And now we have fixed this magnet with the tape. And why I want to make sure, so that don't think that this is skin touching part. So this part, after applying paper tape, you should see this this kind of color from the top. This is called tonification. But if kidney has some infection, in that case, round magnet, actually very easily available in your acupressure shop. So center color yellow, and outer color white. This is this kind of application will give you sedation effect. So again, I should tell you that you have to see from the top. This is top view. Yes. Then weak lung asthma every day 2 hours. Every day 2 hours. And if you know meridian clock time, organ clock time, then very good to apply that in that time. Yes, if you want to do tonification, it is very good to apply in this time. So in case you don't know time, it's okay, you can apply anytime. Here lung tonification, asthma, weak lungs. Okay, so here center white and outer yellow. So any person who has weak lungs, breathing problem, then in this case, you have to do this treatment. So this kind of application, when you see from top view, this is tonification. And this kind of application, when you see from top view, this is sedation. Okay, but color therapy for strengthening lungs, yes, you should apply brown color on this nail. because brown color frequency is matching with the frequency of lung. So lung is very happy when it is with brown color frequency, because each color has frequency, and also all organs have frequency. Actually, everything in this world, whatever you see, has frequency. So brown color frequency matches the frequency of lung. That is why if lung or large intestine weak, we apply brown color. If it is excessive, then we apply opposite color, because this red color, in front of red color frequency, this brown color frequency surrenders. So for tonification, we apply brown color, and for sedation of large intestine and lung, in case of excessive case, we sedate with red color. So now also let's see endocrine gland. Now here we have to focus, because these days many people, they have endocrine gland issue, thyroid, hypothyroid, or hypothyroid or hyperthyroid. Yes, or maybe some adrenal gland problem. Diabetes is very common these days. So now when you see two picture of hand and foot, you see hand and foot, we will see, for example, let's take example of thyroid. Thyroid is located on the left hand index fingernail, and also it is located on the toe, left foot index toe. Okay, then in which condition? If person, because hand is yang phenomena, yang phenomena, in our science we say heterophenomena. So if person has hyperthyroid, please pay attention, hyperthyroid, it means yang phenomena. Yes, if person has hypothyroid, this is yin phenomena. So now you will see endocrine gland on the hand and on the foot. So if endocrine gland has yang symptoms, hetero symptom, we treat on the hand. If endocrine gland is with homo symptom, then we treat on the foot. So if person has hyperthyroid, we will treat here. Now how to do it? Once again, you know, this is the, see, when we say thyroid, according to color therapy, thyroid, this is heat finger. Don't forget, this is heat finger. So color of heat is red. Yes, and opposite color is dryness energy, color is brown. So if person has hyperthyroid, it means red frequency is more, red vibration is more, because hyper. Yes, now tell me, if this is hyperthyroid, then which color we should apply here? Of course, hyper, red. We don't need red vibration. Already hyperactivity is here. So we apply brown color here on the nail. Every day, 2 hours, you should apply brown color nail, brown color on this nail. And then color therapy you do in morning hours, because colors have, of course, it will give result in evening time, but more preferable in daytime. Yes, sunlight, during sunlight time. And then evening time, you can do seed therapy. You will see good improvement, because this is very strong power on the nail. Of course, Sujog, you are doing correspondent point of thyroid on the main system, finger system, mini system. But if you add this nail is extra power. Very strong power is here. Okay, as I explained you. So you will see, and after 1 month, you can go for medical test and you will see the changes. And then you can continue until you reach final perfection. After 1 or 1.5 months, you should go for a checkup and then see how it is improving. Okay, but if person has hypothyroid, then this hypothyroid means you need, this is red and this is color game brown. Okay, so hypothyroid, you need red color here. This is tonification, 2 hours, and every day for 2 hours. Color therapy or round magnet, actually it is good, sometimes color, sometimes round magnet. And be very flexible, all tools are very good, but do it with confidence. Hypothyroid, if you are doing magnet, then outside yellow and inside white. This is for hypothyroid, this magnet. With the help of paper tape, yes, from top view center white. This is called tonification, and every day 2 hours do this nail therapy along with your, as I always say, because these are all lifestyle related diseases. So exercises, good quality food, good sleep, exercises, and also some yoga, meditation like this, because diabetes, thyroid, these are all lifestyle related diseases. So if you can pay attention to your lifestyle, and along with this, you will definitely see the change. Now, and what is next problem, which is very, very common in these days? This is diabetes. You will see diabetes, this nail, many people, they apply round magnet here. So diabetes, it means to activate pancreas. How your round magnet? Again, outside yellow and inside white. This is for pancreas tonification, 2 hours every day. Again, I will say, along with your upgradation of lifestyle, this makes very, very good combination, very, very good combination. And you will see the changes. And then color therapy, if you have to do color therapy, then diabetes, color therapy combination is this. Pancreas are here, yellow color, and opposite is liver, green color. When we need tonification, then we have to focus. This self color is yellow. Yellow. Yes, so yellow color you can apply during daytime. You can apply yellow color with sketch pen during daytime. So this is like tonification, because pancreas needs, it is needs yellow vibrations for this active pancreas. Okay, now round magnet, you know, like this. And then what else? Pineal body. Yes, pineal body. And then pineal body is also very important. If person has some sleep disorders, this, it is very good to stimulate pineal body also. This nail massage, seed therapy. Sometimes, not only, if you're confused whether you have to do tonification or sedation, don't worry. At least you know how to do massage, how to do seed therapy. Yes, but do it genuinely and do it every day without any fail to see the change. And you will be surprised that just small nail therapy, yes, after 1.5 months, you should go to your doctor for all medical checkups to see the improvement. Sometime you will see quantity percentage improvement, sometimes little, but definitely you will see the change. But at the same time, when you see the change, it means this is an indication, this is a symbol that you should not stop treatment, you should continue, because this does not have any side effect. Only thing is, yes, because these are very easy tools. Sometimes easy tools which are with us, creator has given us, we take it for granted and we don't pay attention to these tools. Expensive medicines, expensive doctors, we have faith on them and we are spending a lot of money on them. This gives us a lot of satisfaction that we are contacting good doctors, rich doctors, and this is actually your satisfaction. But at the same time, God's tools are more powerful. Only thing is we should use correctly. Yes, and also not only correctly, but we should continue our treatment until we reach grand perfection of our healing. So here are these organs. And then also I told you about next simple information. Quickly, I will add, just a moment. So, because now some people last time they said that I have leg pain or arm pain, what to do? I gave that glimpse quickly last class, but now I want to focus so that with the aim so that you can see the result. Okay. So very quick glimpse, but very systematically. In Sujok, see, okay, this is your left hand. So this is your face. This is your neck. Yes. In Sujok, we study in detail. Hand is similar to human body. Chest. Yes. This is abdomen. Two arms. In left hand, this is left arm. Right arm. Left leg. Right leg. And here, back view of this hand. Now, I'm not making that picture, but you can visualize this is back side. We have nails. Back view, we have nails. And this is back of brain. So this nail has information of multiple organs, and when this nail can have information of complete body, at the same time, it is connected to various parts of body. So this nail in left hand, left arm, any problem in left arm, whether you have frozen shoulder or elbow, tennis elbow, wrist pain, upper arm, lower arm, or hand problem, just focus all your attention to this nail. Yes, So chronic problem, massage, back side. This is back view. So I was searching for back picture, but anyway. So massage on this area. Let me check. Okay, here is a picture. You see? So this is right hand. This is right hand. Only thing is nail part is here, and right hand, this is right arm. It is good if right problem, then you choose right hand nail therapy in when you are looking for arm and leg disease. Organs, endocrine glands, sense organ, that is fixed. No left and right. Whatever you see on the slide, that you have to follow. But arm and leg, for left problem, you can focus left hand. For right problem, you can focus right hand. Yes, so this is right hand. Here, this is right arm. For example, patient has right upper arm, right lower arm, yes, or this right hand arthritis, chronic arthritis, cannot open hand. Yes, this is, I'm giving you example of right hand. So right arm. So what you have to do, if this is weak, then you can tonify this. In chronic cases, all attention you will bring here. So tonification, center white and outer yellow. This is color therapy. Yes. And in chronic cases, you have to do moxa, and also please, with lot of patience, you need patience, because this nail therapy, if you have patience, you can really you can treat many diseases with the help of nail. Only thing is, people, they just want easy techniques. That is why this sometimes last priority, because here we have, I told you, many points around here. Yes, with patience, you should search painful point, and whenever you find painful point, on that point, stay there, pause there, and massage and press anytime, but at the same time, keeping threshold of patient, how much pain he can bear, and don't cross limits, don't damage his skin. And keeping all these rules in your mind, you can do massage here, moxa, seed therapy, coloring, and you will see your arm condition will improve. In one sitting, you can see the change. But here I want to focus that backside of nail is your first priority. You have to give maximum attention here. And then here also, front side of nail, you have to massage every day. If you have any, if person has left arm paralysis, left leg paralysis, so left arm paralysis, you see, sometimes this is your right arm, this is your right arm, in right hand, this is your right arm. Okay, so then we don't know how to put many needles on the, because many points, but bring all your attention on this nail of this right arm and massage, seed therapy, whatever methods I have told you, you just do it and don't stop till the time this paralysis, this is recovered. You will see the change. And when you are doing arm and leg treatment, then you have to focus not only the hand, but also the foot. So if this is right arm problem, then this is right arm, and in right foot, this is right arm. Yes, same, copy paste, you see, match your right hand with the right foot. So this is your right, this is your right. It means nails as if the chip or the boss of this finger. Yes, nail is the ending part of this finger. So when you nourish this nail, energize this nail, energy flows in complete right arm. And this is yang, hetero disease, chronic Homo disease, but very chronic diseases, it is very good to treat both. So energizing this nail with the help of moxa and seed, you can treat. So here I have given you example of right arm, same with the right leg. If right leg paralysis, right leg numbness, right leg problem, then you can focus this nail here. Okay, same way, if left hand problem, then left hand nail, left upper arm, shoulder, joints. If person has right knee problem, so everything you will do on nail. And then as part of your maintenance, also as part of your maintenance, here I want to pay attention once again, because this nail has information of your complete body. This nail has overlapping concept, and in one time it is connected to your complete body, and also this is connected to various small parts of your body, as you have seen the picture. So for prevention and for maintaining your good health also, even if you don't have disease, make a habit. For example, if you're hearing this lecture, you are pressing this, and this will not take your extra time when you're watching TV in your home, when you're talking to people. You make a habit that you should press your nail every day and twist, massage, and all those techniques. You will see, you will feel very energetic. Yes. Okay, time has gone, but if you want to share your experience, someone wanted to share, if you want to share your experience, and then we will study every Monday. We are having our sessions, we can study more. So anyone who wants to share experience, most welcome.
Smile, thanks, ma'am. Smile, thanks for the wonderful session. Before we are going for the experience sharing, some of the people are asking how to massage the nails and the fingertips. You please show it to the camera.
Yes, yes, I will show. Okay, okay. See. Okay. So you see, downward pressure repeatedly on the center of the nail plate. So this center point is the source of this finger. In our science, we said Newton point. So 1, 2, now do it with me now. Yes, let's do together. Okay, center point of nail, and we will practice on one nail because we have less time, and then later you can continue on all fingers. So all variety of steps we will do on one nail. So center point 4 times. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step. Then here, number 2, on the tip, press, because if you have long nails, you cannot do. But then you have to push the energy downwards. Yes, 1, you have to push this energy downward like this. So if you can take support of skin also, if nails are cut, you can do it very nicely. So you will touch your skin and nail 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And then root of the nail. This is also very strong, powerful energies. It is like roots. You can imagine root of the tree. Yes. So here also 1, see, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep pressure is required. Yes, deep pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you are giving pressure, this inside is also pressed. Number 4 and 5 side pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Yes, 6 is downward. You see, we are creating very strong energy with these kinds of techniques. Very strong, like a fountain energy is, like a shower energy is increased. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So if you don't have time, at a time you do finish your one hand nail, and then next time when you have free time, then you do it second time. But don't just do it 1, 2, 3, quickly you finish, and it is actually a waste. You give very good attention on one finger if you have time. And then slowly all fingers. And then 7th step is from yin to upward, as if to separate the nail plate from the nail bed. You see, from yin to upward, like this, as if you are, of course, you are not doing, but your movement pattern should be like this, as if you are separating the nail plate from the nail bed. So upward, yes, upward, like this. And then finally, I told you, this we will discuss. You can see this is the final picture last time we saw. And once this is finished, then you can do this massage. Last massage is this massage. Yes, nicely after finishing all fingers. So you can, that is why don't waste your time. In home, when you are watching TV, you should do something. Your hands should do, your nails can, you know, your glow will increase, your face glow will increase, and your hair, if early hair, white hair, as Ramdev ji also says, yes. So white hair, if it is early, you will see miracle, and your body energy will increase, your weakness will go. Okay, and very good. Oh, I see one case, hypothyroid. Yes, and then you have to, that is why in morning when you get up, of course, nails are very important. These last part, very important zone. But at the same time, according to Sujok, this hand is similar to human body, full body. So you should do very good massage of this body. You do clockwise and anti-clockwise massage. And instead of going quickly, till the time finger is warm, you can just continue this massage and you will feel very energetic. Yes, massage this nicely. Do clapping, inside, yang side, sidelines, clapping from back side, clapping from front side, inside, like this. Yes, energize. This hand is similar to human body. And when we say, just do it now, clapping, when we are saying clapping, you have to press. Now I'm not making noise, but like this. Like this. Yes. In our meditation sessions, professor used to make us clap very nicely with the music, and then finger shaking. So when you are doing all this, your energy is changing. It is really, and you see, when you stop all exercises, and you will see that the vibration which you have created on the hand, you can feel coming towards the arm, body, face, leg, like this. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Smile evening, ma'am.
By
Smile
doing this,
evening.
by doing this hand massage, fingertip massage, etc., we will sleep only a little bit late today. All are becoming energetic. That's a very good thing. And hello, friends. There is one more announcement. As those who completed the level 1 from ISA can do the level 2. The class will start from September 6th onwards. The total duration will be 25 hours as per ISA, but madam will give extended the classes.
Many hours extra.
She will give the upgradations in every month. So
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much.
Good night.
thank you very much, ma'am.
See you next Monday.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Grab up.